Hello, yeah, this is how to fund your TikTok ad wallet. So once you want to run your ad on your PC, you just click on your budget. All right, you can see your budget over here. So click on the one that you prefer to run. All right, that's the amount we're supposed to pay. Right, so just click on pay now. The reason we have that amount is because there are some money on this account already. So the amount you need to add is 446 naira. So we're just going to wait for it to load up. Now here's the CCTV. All right. Now they ask you to put in your card details. So I'm going to go ahead and put my card details. I'll fill that up. Then, all right, it's a payment. Now I need to confirm the payment. Now it's going to, you click on confirm, it's going to take you to your portal where you are going to make payment for this. All right. So I'm just going to wait for the code. Now the code has arrived. I'll type the code out. Click on confirm, and then it's going to go ahead and load up. And then this is how you fund your wallet. Right, it's a payment processing. This is how you fund your wallet. So if you enjoyed this guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, so it's very easy. This is how you add your payment. So you can go ahead and check your orders and know how your ad is performing.